I want to tell you something, Shy. You have a big mouth.
What?
You've got a big mouth.
What's going on?
Hi, Nana. You're alive.
Of course I am. How do you guys find me?
Your boyfriend here has a big mouth.
I was worried about you.
You? You kill swan?
No, I never kill a swan.
Why? You stupid?
Not stupid.
Yes, you marry big mouth wife.
Your daughter. Can't talk back.
He's got a big mouth.
He told me everything,
Oh, please. What the hell did he say?
so you can pick it apart. Twist all my words.
I'm not going to dignify Jimmy Barrett with a response. He's a big mouth.
Big promotion at work. This buddy of mine's trying to steal it from under me. And he doesn't have any talent. He's just got a big mouth.
And you even said so yourself, Ken, that you have an awfully big mouth.
Well, he's a happy camper, huh?
Happy camper. I don't hear that expression enough.
So far, I'm a pretty happy camper.
I love it all. I'm supposed to be at a spa with my friends, not in a sandy, poopless house. I am not a happy camper.
I'm just a happy camper.
Good morning, people. Isn't it a great day to be alive?
You're a happy camper today.
Yeah, because the last time I was in here, we almost died.
Terrence, I got my southern exposure.
I'm a happy camper.
Not a happy camper, Dad.
Really? I hadn't noticed.
I'm a happy camper who will be out of your lives forever and ever. Amen.
Oh, my. Well, how's about I tell you who I'm not, Alcide? I am not a happy camper.
I'm sorry to hear it.
You want to know what I did this year? I went on the longest, hardest, most exhausting journey I've ever been on, with the biggest pain in the neck I've ever met.
You're brainwashing me.
We just want our Alf back.
Why are you so hung up on this guy anyway? He seems like nothing but a pain in the neck.
Hey, you know something? You're a real pain in the neck.
She's a big pain in the neck.
I'm calling Nova and I'm calling the cops. And as for you, you little pain in the neck, you better not come crawling back to me because now it's over.
I know he's a pain in the neck, but we just gotta keep him safe till Monday.
You're such a down-to-earth guy. Not like the douchebags in LA.
They're gonna love you, Howard. You're so down to earth and relatable.
You don't need her, man. You need somebody a little more down to earth.
You know, Chris, I'm having a great time. You're so cool and down to earth.
Christina, I'm keen to know, what do you remember about that time?
I remember they were awfully nice to us.
Very down to earth, real people.
Lord is an incredibly talented and down-to-earth young lady.
She's really nice. Funny. Down to earth.
You're a very special girl, Irene. Look at you. You're just so down to earth.
Small town people are more real, more down to earth.
That's how I feel.
Really?
I find your manner very down to earth.
Ethel Bieber's a bit of a dark horse, crotchety, but probably wise. Kelvin over here is a dark horse of society.
He's not a dark horse. You're quite the dark horse.
He's lovely.
He's a dark horse, our son.
What about Mr. Bell?
He was booked into a Spencer Street hotel with a lady friend for the evening.
He is a dark horse. You know, Sven goes to the Greek Orthodox Church. He's a dark horse. I don't want to talk about him.
You're quite the dark horse.
What about Mr. Bell?
He was booked into a Spencer Street hotel with a lady friend for the evening.
He is a dark horse.
FEMA is the dark horse here. Homeland is a logical target.
Any contestants worth mentioning?
Maybe. There's kind of a dark horse in the running.